Hi friends, welcome to Masala's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you fish fry in a very different and the most yummiest style. For our fish fry, I have taken 6 pieces of rohu fish cleaned with salt and turmeric powder. Now let's look at the ingredients required. Half spoon salt, 1 spoon chili powder, half spoon pepper powder, 1 spoon coriander powder, 1 spoon rice flour, half spoon jeera powder, quarter spoon garam masala powder, and 1 lemon, 4 green chilies, a little coriander, 10 twigs of curry leaves, 10 to 12 pods of garlic, and 1 inch ginger. Now we have to make a fine paste of these ingredients. See, I am adding one by one into the mixie jar and I am going to make a fine paste out of it. Please do remember, our fish fry will not take a lot of salt because we've already cleaned the fish with salt and turmeric. So add salt in very little quantity. And also fish would generally have some saltiness in it. Clean green chilies, coriander and curry leaves before adding them into the mixer jar. Now I'm making a fine paste of all the ingredients that I have added in the mixer jar. See, it must be in this texture. Now take this paste into a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of oil and juice taken from the 1 lemon. See, this is the juice that I have got from 1 lemon. Now add it into this paste and also add 1 spoon of rice flour. This rice flour brings extra crispiness to our fish fry. Now give it a good mix. See, after mixing, we are going to marinate the fish pieces with this paste. Take each piece into your hand and coat the fish piece nicely with this paste. See, each piece had to be coated separately and kept it aside. Now we have to leave these pieces for marination. You can refrigerate them for 30 minutes so that they'll be marinated pretty quickly, or else if you have time and if you wish to marinate them outside, you can leave them for 1 hour. Now we will start frying the fish. It doesn't make any difference whether you are doing a shallow fry or a deep fry. Either ways, it's going to take same oil. Here I'm taking a pan and adding oil into it. But if you have noticed, I've added very little oil for the deep fry style because this oil cannot be reused for anything. And it's not even a good idea to use reheated oil. So I am adding each piece separately in this little quantity of oil that I have taken. And also make sure do not move the fish as soon as you drop it in the oil. If you move it, the masala that was coated into the fish will leave out and it will disturb our oil. See, when we were marinating the fish, the color was green in color because of the grains that we've used in the marination. But now, after the fish is fried, it has come into that nice dark brown texture. See, this is the color that we want for our fish fry. Now, in the same way, I am adding second piece also. And if you notice, I'm covering the fish with this ladle. That's because as soon as you add fish into the oil will splatter. So just to avoid that, I'm covering it with ladle. See, now we are done. I'm adding all the pieces the same way with the little oil that I have taken. Now our fish fry is ready. Usually this can be had just as a snack. Hope you'll try this recipe and if you like it, do share it with your friends and family members. And do let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Bye.